Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are on Mandela Highway heading towards Spanish Town, and we're going to take a look at this area called White Marl. Now White Marl is where you're going to find a lot of warehouses. Some of the largest distribution companies in Jamaica like Lasco, Wisinco, Best Dressed Chicken, they all have stores in this area. So we're going to take a quick tour and look at the area. So we are now on Mandela Highway, and we are heading towards Spanish Town or the Central Village area. We're going to stop in White Marl and look. Okay, coming up on the left now, you're going to start to see the warehouses. And they're not just warehouses, because they're also manufacturing plants, because the companies manufacture products over there as well. Okay, so there you can see on the left the warehouses, and this concept of the warehouse is very similar to what they have in the Ferry Industrial Complex. Okay, I mean, you guys see it every day. It's not a bus, it's a taxi. Now, all he had to do was pull off onto the soft shoulder to pick up and drop off the people. But no, this is Jamaica, so he stops in the road. In the road. Look at this poor lady having to cross the road now with the traffic. Unbelievable. The bus just stops in the road to drop off and pick up people. Alright. And sadly to say, it's an everyday occurrence. Okay, so we're going to turn left now and look at these facilities. Okay, now as we turn left, you're going to see Wisinco. You can see the billboard here. This is their beverage division. They make their own brand. I think it's the bigger brand, but they also distribute other brands. So that's Wisinco. They are one of the largest distributors in Jamaica. Okay, now you're going to see the Best Dressed Chicken plant on the left. Okay, we're going to go up and turn in there. Alright. And then Hypro Super Center. We just passed it. Now over here is a Sherwin-Williams plant. This is where they manufacture the paint. And they also sell stuff from here. Okay, we're going to, I know what, let's go down to the end and then we come back up, we go inside the individual ones. So this is a very busy area. Okay, this facility straight ahead looks like, let me tell you what it is. That one just looks like smaller warehouse. Okay, it's a Factories Corporation of Jamaica Small Industries Complex. So basically the smaller companies just rent warehouse space there. This warehouse now doesn't look like, it looks like it's just storage, because you can see a pallet there at the front, but it's a huge warehouse. Okay, so let's take a look at these facilities now. Okay, so on the left is the Sherwin-Williams plant. This is where they manufacture their paint. It's a huge facility. Okay, I'm gonna turn here so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. There you go, it's a huge facility. Alright, that gives you an idea of what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to look at the Best Dressed Chicken plant and the, okay, so as we drive, this is where this truck is where the Sherwin-Williams plant ends. Now we're going to take a look at the Best Dressed Chicken plant. It's another very large facility. There you go. So I'm straight ahead, that's the Sherwin-Williams plant, and it's also a sales office. plant goes all the way to the back. Now we're going to look at the High Pro Super Center. This is like a farm store, but they sell everything, furniture. It's more like a mini Walmart, I would say. Give an example of the kind of stuff they sell. You can look under the tent where they have stuff on display. Okay, that's the entrance to the store. Alright, so those are basically some of them. Oh, there's Lasco, which is they probably have the largest warehouse because they just expanded it. So let's go look at Lasco now. Lasco recently expanded the warehouse, so it's probably the largest warehouse in this area now. Wisynco has another warehouse, huge, massive warehouse, bigger than these. But it's not in this area. It's close by, but it's not in this area. But I think the largest warehouse in Jamaica is the Grace Kennedy warehouse. They built a facility recently, and I think that's the largest warehouse in Jamaica. Well, when that facility was built, let me say that it was the largest warehouse in Jamaica. I don't know if any other warehouse has been built since, so if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, straight ahead now, where you see that building with the pink trimming at the top, that's the Lasco warehouse. It's huge. It was recently expanded, so everything on the left that we're passing now is the Lasco warehouse. Wow. I am assuming that this warehouse was built after the Grace Kennedy warehouse, because I can't imagine this not being the largest warehouse in Jamaica. But I'm going to check it out, and we're going to do a video of the largest warehouse in Jamaica, because that's something we need to know. Alright, so that's Lasco. Now we are entering the central village area. Now, one of the major drawbacks to those warehouses is okay, we're not going to go there. But you're going to see a lot of warehouses being built in other areas, like the Ferry Industrial Complex, because it's in a more isolated area, so you can have larger warehouses and easier to get in and out. So okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the tour of the warehouses, and if anybody knows which warehouse is the largest in Jamaica, let us know in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.